Welcome MrYouWho, and here again. Great to have you back with us today. So I'm really excited today to be reviewing the Yokekon Ultrasonic Humidifier. Now we're really excited is because we live in Australia where it's a very, very dry climate. So very often we need a humidifier to bring some moisture back into the air, otherwise we dry out. So I've heard a lot of great things about the Yokekon. So today we're going to be operating the controls to see how it works. We're going to be put into operation so you can see how the Yokekon actually humidifies the air. I'm going to talk about some of the product features and go into a bit more detail about it and give you the overall thoughts about what we think about the Yokekon Ultrasonic. But you're going to find this review, the Yokekon is a fantastic humidifier. It works very, very well. The reason being it's got an 8-litre tank, it humidifies around 43 square metre room, and it's got some great functions which make sure that the air is perfect for you. Anyway, if you want to purchase this, in our links below, there's links to Amazon which you can purchase in the description. Also, make sure you like our video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know what you think about the Yokekon Ultrasonic Humidifier. Anyway, let's jump into it now at MrYouWho. Okay, now let's take a look at some of the controls with the Yokekon Ultrasonic Humidifier. So there's a power button. So this will actually just light up the humidifier and start working. Humidity there is the setting. So humidity can go from 40 to 90%. Then again, we recommend it around 45%, which is a constant humidity. Now they've got the time there as well, which can be set between 1 to 12 hours. And you've got the mist as well. Now the mist can be adjusted in 4 levels, low, medium, or high. And it's also got a UV sterilization function on there as well. So this basically helps sterilize the mist as it comes from the water. A purple light will come on when that happens. And you've also got sleep, which will actually dim the humidifier so you can see. So let's go and jump in and have a look at the humidifier turning on. So let's take a look at what comes within the humidifier. So if we open this up here, you can see that that's where the steam comes out through this part here. Let me show you actually. So the steam comes up through there and comes out there to humidify the air. In here you've got the UVC lamp here as well, which purifies the air, which you can turn off if you want. And there's a pump. If you go in further as well, you can see here, this is where the actual pump comes through. So that pumps the water from the bottom of the container there and up into the humidifier. So very, very good system. I like it a lot. So let's put this back together. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go fill it up. Now it takes 8 litres of water. So let me show you how this works. So literally open it up and you just pour the water in like so. As I said, it takes 8 litres. So they fill up. Now we're going to go turn it on and see how it works. Okay, let's start by using the Yokekon Ultrasonic Humidifier. So I have a remote control here, which comes with the packet, as you can see there, which you can use to actually use it, as well as the functions on the top. I'm going to use a remote control now. So I'm going to start by turning it on. As you can see, there comes a display. So 48% humidity and 22 degrees, it's saying, as the temperature outside. Now I'm based in Brisbane at the moment as well, so the temperatures, the humidity is a lot higher than normal. We're in summer, but in winter it's very, very dry. Now if I press the button for constant humidity, see it sets it for 45%. So I press that again. You can change it up or down as well. So we'll go for that one, 45%. You can also set the UV light on. So again, I press the UV button and you see that little light down there comes on. So let's put the UV on, which means it's actually sterilizing the air as you're breathing it, which is good if you're using tap water and not using filtered water too. You can also put the max, so that's the minimum for the humidity. We'll just press the constant humidity actually. I'll go down, let's go back to, so you can go up to 90. Now I wouldn't recommend 90 humidity. That would be like being in a shower all the time too. So you can also set the sleep mode on, so it makes it down. Now as you can see, there's no noise coming from it as well. It sounds really quiet. That's the thing I love with this as well, is it's a very, very quiet humidifier. It doesn't make any noises at all. Just turn off sleep. Let's go to timer. So here you can set timer. So switch on for an hour. Then it comes off for an hour as well. So very, very nice humidifier. Provides a lovely constant mist as well. So yeah, it's very, very good. As you can see, the humidifier is very, very quiet. I can hardly hear it at the moment. And that's because it's got such a quiet sound. If I pause for a minute, let's see if you guys can actually hear it. See, I can hardly hear it at all, which is perfect when you use it while you're sleeping, lying in bed. Now they do say to keep a couple of meters around it as well, because obviously you don't want to get steam on your appliances when you're using them in bed. But I love the 8 litre capacity. It's got a lot of size to it, which means it keeps some air purifying in the air. Now, there's been a lot of good reviews about this as well. I love the fact it's got the remote control. It's a very, very good quality build as well. Look at that lovely, sleek design. I love how it tells you not only the humidity, but also the temperature too. Now, if I get the humidity, again, you can just, that easy to turn on, off, and that easy to turn on again as well. So, very, very impressive humidifier. I'd probably say it's probably my favorite humidifier out there on the market.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at it.
Wow, well there you go. What do we think about the Yokekon Ultrasonic Humidifier? Well, as you can see, it humidified the air really, really well. The controls are excellent too. It can humidify a very, very large room. It's very, very quiet, very easy to use. With the 8 litre capacity as well, it can go for ages without needing to refill it as well. It literally can go for most of the day. As I said, very good operation. I like how you can put it on sleep as well. You can put it on, you can head out and not have to worry about it. You've also got the ability to put the oil in there as well, so you can really make it smell nice outside too. Gives a nice feel to the air. You see Yokekon, very, very well designed. And look at the design of it as well. Sleek finish, really well designed, really beautiful humidifier. And it goes really well here in our property. So anyway, make sure if you want to purchase it, there's links below to purchase Yokekon humidifier. Again, we really, really love it. And make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know what you think of the Yokekon Ultrasonic Humidifier. Thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho.